10 mind-blowing facts about octopuses you won't believe. Octopuses are some of the most alien-like creatures on Earth, with intelligence and abilities that seem almost supernatural. You might already know that they're masters of camouflage and have 8 arms, but today we're diving into 10 truly bizarre and obscure facts about these fascinating cephalopods. Number 1. Some octopuses punch fish. Just because. Scientists have observed octopuses randomly punching fish in their environment, seemingly for no reason. While sometimes they do it to control fish movements during hunting, other times there's no clear benefit. It might just be an act of spite. Yes, octopuses might hold grudges. Number 2, they can walk on land. Most people think of octopuses as strictly aquatic creatures, but some species, like the common octopus, Octopus vulgaris, can crawl across dry land for short periods. They do this to escape predators, move between tide pools, or even hunt unsuspecting prey. Number 3, their skin can detect light without eyes. Even if an octopus were blind, it could still sense light thanks to opsins in its skin, light-sensitive proteins similar to those found in eyes. This ability helps them fine-tune their camouflage even in areas their eyes can't see. Number 4, some octopuses can see polarized light. Unlike humans who see light in a mix of wavelengths, some octopuses can detect polarized light, meaning they can see things invisible to our eyes. This allows them to spot hidden prey or even communicate in secret visual signals that other animals can't perceive. Number 5, there's an octopus that carries around coconut shells. The veined octopus, Amphiooctopus marginatus, has been seen digging up coconut shells, carrying them, and then assembling them into a shelter. This is one of the only known cases of tool use in invertebrates, showing advanced problem solving and planning. Number 6, they can recognize individual humans. Some octopuses in research settings have shown the ability to recognize and remember individual people. They react differently to their favourite scientists versus those they dislike, sometimes even squirting water at the ones they don't get along with. Number 7. One species self-amputates for survival. The larger Pacific striped octopus does something absolutely wild. It voluntarily detaches part of its arms without injury and regrows them later. Scientists aren't completely sure why, but it could be a unique form of distraction or defense. Number 8. There's an octopus that mates without ever meeting its partner. The deep-sea Granelodon boreopacifica octopus doesn't engage in elaborate courtship. Instead, the male extends a long sperm-filled arm called a hectocotylus, detaches it, and lets the female fertilize herself whenever she's ready. No direct contact necessary. Number 9. Some female octopuses throw things at males who annoy them. Female octopuses, particularly the common Sydney octopus, Octopus hetericus, have been observed throwing shells, silt, and even algae at males who won't leave them alone. Scientists call this projectile throwing, and it's one of the few examples of animals using objects to alter social interactions. And finally, number 10. The deepest living octopus was found 7,000 meters below the surface. Scientists discovered a ghostly transparent octopus at an unbelievable depth of 7,000 meters or 23,000 feet in the Java Trench, the deepest known sighting of an octopus. At that depth, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. Yet, this delicate-looking creature thrives. And here's a bonus fact. No octopus has ever been observed dying of old age. Instead of aging gradually, octopuses undergo something called senescence, a rapid and bizarre decline triggered by hormonal changes. Their bodies start deteriorating rapidly, and they often stop eating, wander aimlessly, and even self-destruct by mutilating their own limbs. It's one of the strangest natural life cycles in the animal kingdom. Octopuses are way weirder than most people realise. From punching fish to walking on land, seeing hidden light, and even recognising people they like or dislike, they truly are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you loved this deep dive, make sure to follow Proving the Concept for more mind-bending science.